Hey guys, Henry from Adventure Air here, and we've got Wild Man Jeremy in the pilot seat, and I'm going to be going up there taking a little nap while he flies, and this will be his first flight that he's taking control of everything, and so cross your fingers, hope it goes well. What do you think, Jeremy?
I'm excited, nervous and excited.
Woo! All right, we're going to go have some fun.
Let's do it.
See ya. Chino Tower, Gyro 378, Whiskey X-ray holding short, 26 right for straight out.
Gyrocopter 378, Whiskey X-ray, Chino Tower, caution radar watch from Chinook, departed at Hotel intersection. Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, 8 Whiskey X-ray. All right, so roll us out to the middle onto the big R of 26R.
Pirate.
Pirate's favorite letter, right?
R.
Okay, notice in the windsock over there, it's kind of wiggling, a little crosswind from the left, but not a tremendous amount. Okay, we're going to stop right here. Keep your right hand on the stick, just let that go and put us into flight mode. Nope, right hand on the stick, left hand, just let it. We're only going to roll like an inch, see? Okay, then you're holding it again.
If you want part of Alpha, I can
now, RPM should be around 2,000, so just a smidge. Put it up. Right there, with your thumb, push the pre-road and hold it down.
Enable that for multiple aircraft in the pattern.
As the engine bogs down, it's going to pull the stick left, add a little bit of power.
Yeah, we'll just take over.
You don't want to, there you go. Just keep on holding. Rotor speed, 120, 130, 140. We got to get past 200. Okay. All right, thumb off the button, stick back, release the brakes, add a little bit of power. A little bit. That's about good. You're on the pedals to keep our nose straight.
Yeah.
We're waiting for 300 RPM for the nose to float up. 250, 260, 270, 280, 290. There's the nose. Just balance it. Just off, up, too high. Right about there. Nope, a little more back pressure. Now, once you're balanced, full power.
Ready for departure back to Corona.
Left stick, right pedal. There you go. Yeah, don't put your fingers in front, obviously. Yeah. Now, there's a lot of forward pressure. Feel that? Pull down on the stick.
Okay.
Pull down on the hat. Pump that up to 6. Back on the stick.
Oh. Sorry.
Tower Company 3 Hotel here, 21 north of Alpha, ready for takeoff.
All the way to 6. That way you take all...
Mike Chino Tower, traffic just departing off for runway 26 up the King Air will be a climbing turn to the southeast.
Traffic here, traffic there.
Tower 120.12.
Okay, back on the stick to 60.
Okay.
That's our best climb. Maybe I'll add a little...
2012.
It's more trim.
2012,
You know how easy it is?
Yeah, okay.
8 Echo Hotel, continue upwind. Check up to 8 Whiskey X-ray, maintain VFR at or below 1,500 for traffic.
At or below 1,500, 8 Whiskey X-ray.
So what RPM do you usually drop it down to?
Yeah, about that. About that? 4,800.
Okay. There's a lot of traffic going on right there, too.
That's 73 Lima.
Well, I know you learned how to take it out of your head, but I'm like, yeah, that's my first takeoff ever.
Oh, cool.
I've never taken off
nice.
on a gyro.
Oh, there you go. Good job.
So, I've never done it.
Well, now you have.
I know. How much were you on the controls with me? Okay.
Start turn.
I mean, the takeoff.
Setting 180 for traffic.
Turning 180 to Echo Hotel.
So we just got to listen to him while we're still in this frequency.
Yeah.
2 miles southeast of northbound Cessna at 2,300 indicated.
Looking for traffic at Echo Hotel. Chino Tower, this is November 764, Charlie Papa, holding short at 26 right on Papa. Going to be headed back to Corona with Whiskey.
Check out the 8 Whiskey X-ray traffic at 10 o'clock, less than a mile, north along the 71 Cessna at 2,300 indicated.
We got him inside, 8 Whiskey X-ray.
8 Whiskey X-ray on course, your discretion out to restriction cancel, frequency change approved.
8 Whiskey X-ray.
That's 7 Charlie Alpha, you have runway.
Oh, you heard everything he said?
Yeah, he said the traffic, and then he said where we're going.
Your altitude restrictions canceled, and you're also
changing a frequency.
Frequency change approved. All right. We're flying up the valley here, looking good. You're a little low. So again, if you got to the end of the valley, we'll do the quasi-impossible turn here.
Okay.
It's you got a little your airspeed, so you're only 30 here.
Yeah.
Left stick, left pedal, and you just turn it around. See how I pulled back on the stick a little bit?
Yeah. Oh, okay. That was interesting.
Yeah.
So you did left stick to start the bank, and then left pedal for left rudder.
Yeah.
So basically a rudder turn, and that was you're doing a 180 to go back down to the runway.
Right.
Okay. And then we're going to climb again, so we keep it at 5,000 RPM. And
5,000 is pretty much straight and level. It all depends on, you know, the wind. There's some weird winds around here right now.
Yeah.
And so, actually, we're going to head back towards the airport.
Okay.
And I'm going to turn him up.
All right. There's the field right over there.
Hangar 02 Lima and 1 April turn base.
Okay, 00.
Is there a landmark to follow to go downwind?
Yes.
Along the ground here.
Do the dark brown fields that are pretty much straight ahead of us?
Okay.
There's the round prison.
Okay.
Right over the middle of the prison.
Okay. Isn't that align us up with Merrill? Do we kind of want to be over Merrill? Is that?
Yeah, Merrill's just to the right of the prison.
Okay.
But down the center of the prison is pretty much good.
Okay. Landing King Air runway 26 right, runway 2 north alpha, quick takeoff, quick line.
Takeoff and land. Cover 3 hotels here, King Air tech.
All right, I'm going to let you do the landing too. I'm gonna close my eyes. Say, do it. All right.
I can do it. So there's, okay, now I can see the prison better now. I was going the general direction, but you said the roundness, so I see it now.
Yeah.
Okay. So once we cross over that, then we kind of just make our way a bit to the left.
That's correct.
Okay. And then do we go to pattern altitude now, or?
We wait till you get over the prison, then go to 1400.
Okay.
Tower 723 means you're about 5 miles northwest of the water treatment plant at 2,500. Inbound for touch and go with information.
So he's saying the water treatment plant. Where's that at from here?
I don't know.
Okay.
129 Bravo.
It's not on the aviation maps.
Traffic.
Okay.
If it says aviation, like Whisper Golf, Chino Hills, all those things,
Yeah.
everybody knows where those are. But if you just make something up, then, you know. Oh, there is a water treatment plant way back there.
Okay.
By Fullerton. Maybe that's what he's talking about.
Yeah, we sounded a little bit far away.
Yeah.
Gyrocopter 8 Whiskey X-ray number 2, follow Cherokee short final on a low approach, runway 26 right, clear to lane.
Clear to lane number 2 on 26 right, 8 Whiskey X-ray.
Go around and taxi.
Do we go now down to 1400?
Sure.
Traffic,
do I just do that by throttle or by?
Right. Little throttle back.
A helicopter.
Throttle is our up and down.
I just didn't know how much to do.
Yeah, you can play with it and see what does what. The more you do, the faster we go down.
Okay. So there's not like a, oh, you went too far.
Traffic left, traffic runway 26 left, contact tower 120.12.
Now to keep from going under 14,
That's the power back. Just passing off your right.
Okay, yeah, we're looking for the gyrocopter. It appears that the Cherokee is notably to the right of the runway.
Delta 5, you're still on? Cafeteria test here. I appreciate that. Sorry about that. They do like drifting, don't they? The gyrocopter just passed off your right.
They do like drifting, don't they?
Okay, well, we're going to climb here. We've got that other airplane in sight. No problem. Thanks.
They got called out.
Yeah.
Thanks. And the 270 is approved as requested, runway 200.
Hey, we're down to 1,200 feet now.
Land 200
How low will you let me get before you take control?
5 feet.
Okay. I'm trying to keep the manifold pressure down.
200 Juliet Lima is at Papa, hold short of 26 right.
There we go.
Close traffic.
Now see how you're climbing at 40-ish?
Yeah.
You're really struggling over time getting up to climbing because you're at the back end of the power curve.
Okay.
Even though you have pretty good power in, it doesn't want to climb. All right, we're going to make a right turn, which is our base turn.
And we do that
right after the tree line here.
Okay.
Now we're going to come off the power because we want to come down.
Okay.
So there's a big ass jet, maybe gonna cross.
Tower last again.
Maybe cross the runway.
Hangar 200 Juliet Lima is Papa Hold Sugar 26 right for closed traffic.
Hangar 200 Juliet Lima, Chino Tower, roger, stand by, 1 arrival.
All right.
Where was the jet at?
Right there. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not a jet, it's a King Air.
Oh, okay.
All right, we're gonna turn you on to final. The two things we wanna watch when we're landing is to make sure that our nose is straight down the runway.
Okay.
We do that with our feet on our toes on the pedals.
Okay.
And then we want to make sure we keep at least 60 or better speed up.
Okay.
So we're going to line up with the runway. Speed is good. So you pull back, you're going to slow it down, lower than 60. So we keep the nose down.
Yeah.
Like that. And then our toes, so we can make little left and right corrections if we need to.
Okay.
Lots of birds here. Coming off the power.
Okay.
Speed is still good for 70 now, it's fine. Most important thing is keep straight. Coming down, the wind's coming from the left, so we have a left crosswind.
Okay.
And we're going to straighten it up by pushing the right pedal a little bit. Fly down to the runway, back on the stick, fly down the runway at a foot or two. Whoa, little winds here.
I didn't even feel that. You've got the touch.
Just touch the wheels down nice and soft.
Wow.
Power off. Stick up until our wheel stops. Forward. Recon.
Gyrocopter with you, turn right at Delta, contact ground point 6.
Right at Delta, was X-ray. And pull down to pump it up. Up to 8. Again, the touchiest part now is getting off the runway. Because if we whip off the runway to the right really quick, the wind is coming down the runway and we can tip over. So as we're turning, stick left into the wind, right pedal to get off the runway.
Make right tower for the ramp space over Keller, approved by Aviation, risk wind 290 at 10, timber 2987. Right traffic at 600 relay.
Tower 3 Hotel 02 north of Alpha request air taxi north.
Now you can center the stick again, or center forward.
I can sit right here. Let's see if we feel some blade flap. If it feels like it's going whoa, 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 then you push it back the other way.
Northeast.
Keep your hand on the stick, keep it tight.
776 Yankee Chino out, stand by.
Yeah.
Do you feel it?
Yeah.
That way. Okay. 8 was X-ray off 26 right, Eagles Nest.
For the red triangle, flying Tigers and reports there's inbound gyro traffic. Car 378 with the X-ray, Chino ground down.
We are on. Back to Eagles Nest, please.
Car with the X-ray, taxi via Delta, Mike to parking, and Dubois Cherokee outbound will be looking for you.
Delta Mike will watch out for Dubois. 8 was the X-ray.